Jessica Frost-Ballas here for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm showing you how to use some ink blending and the fun balloon alphabet honeycut dies to create cheery baby cards. So let's get started. First, I blended my background using Distress Oxide inks. I blended worn lipstick, abandoned coral, and dried Marigold Distress Oxide ink onto a panel of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. Bristol cardstock is my favorite for any sort of ink blending. It gives you a buttery smooth finish with no harsh lines. After my initial blending, I went back and added picked raspberry over the worn lipstick for a brighter finish. My second card uses Salty Ocean, Peacock feathers, and cracked pistachio. I didn't want to use traditional pink and blue colors for the cards, and I think these blends work perfectly. Once my panel was dry, I splattered it with water and blotted off the excess to create lighter splatters. I also splattered the panel with metallic gold paint. I used 2 different size paintbrushes to get smaller and larger spots. Next, I die cut my Congrats sentiment from matte gold, shiny gold, and gold glitter cardstock using the balloon alphabet honeycuts. You could just use one kind of cardstock, but I think the mix of metallics creates a really cool effect on the finished card. I also die cut balloon strings from white cardstock. Then I used foam tape to adhere the balloon letters and liquid adhesive to adhere the strings. I stamped the rest of the sentiment from Baby onto black cardstock with Versamark and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. I trimmed it down to a thin label and adhered it to the panel with foam mounting tape. I followed the same process for the second card, and I have enough leftover letters to create a third card in the future. Finally, I finished both cards by adding a sprinkling of metallic gold sequins. I love all the varied textures and how different parts of the card shimmer and shine when they catch the light. And that's it! You can find more details and all the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on the Honeybee blog. I hope you enjoyed my cards today, and if you did, I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, have a fantastic day and happy crafting! Bye!